Hey, what is up all my gamers? MCPE Pro Gamer 5421 here, and here's some more Minecraft Pocket Edition, and today I am here with a tips and tricks video, and I really wanted to do one of these because lately all I've been doing is worldcraft. I've done a few worldcrafts, a lot of skyblock, a few trolls, and a few warlings, and I just haven't done this series in quite a while, and I really wanted to get one out, so I kind of thought of one since I have the 0.12.1 build 9 and I had a lot of other stuff. I kind of found out one that I could do, and it's using the anvil gravity things. So if you're in a server or PC, these can be used. I'm using the redstone alternative of signs instead of redstone because in Pocket Edition, redstone, we just don't have the ability to use it for like mechanics and stuff. But you could use redstone in PC for this gravity, and you could do it different ways. So you need a big house, a person with a big house to do this with the signs alternative thing, because it takes up quite a bit of space to set up the signs. I actually made a little tiny house and tried it, and it just looked weird because there's like a big column here and whatnot. So I'm kind of used to this. So you'll set up all kinds of stuff, and then when the person finally comes back, you gotta make sure he's gone. So when he comes back, he'll walk in and be like, "What the fuck happened to my house?" And you'll see this and be like, "What the fuck?" And put like a thing, "What the fuck am I doing in your house? Break me, please." So he comes up here. He's like, "Okay." So as you can see, there's anvils up. I can actually tap on the anvil. So he breaks the sign. Breaks the sponge and like, "What the fuck?" Oh god, that hurt. What the fuck is this? And it's not necessarily supposed to kill him. Supposed to hurt him quite a bit, scare him a little bit. But it's not necessarily supposed to kill him. Now, if they fell from a greater distance, because I only had it falling like 6 blocks, if it fell from like 20, 30 blocks, it would kill him. But, yeah. So, yeah, that's kind of just that. Just something I kind of just wanted to show y'all that is possible. You know, you can do really epic stuff with the 0.4.1 stuff. And, on servers, on my survival servers, you can actually use some of the stuff to troll people, and that one, if you set it up to kill somebody, you could get all this stuff, honestly, unless his armor is about to break and that breaks it. But you could honestly get people shit that way, you know? It's a really fast way to get people's stuff. So yeah, that's something, you know? I just wanted to show you guys a little trick, you know, that you use to troll people in a 0.4.1 or above survival server. And just a way that you could troll people or kill people or whatever, you know? I just wanted to show you guys that there are ways to use that stuff, you know? So now let's jump. Oh, epic. That was epic. So yeah, guys, if you did enjoy yourself, please do not forget to drop a like. And if you're new to the channel and haven't already, please do not forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Peace. Have a great day, everybody, and I need to eat some meat. Jesus, what's in here? God damn it. Quit blowing up my shit.